Hello guys, myself Kaustubh. Today we will learn how to set up Bastion Hosts. First of all, we will need to know what is the purpose of Bastion Hosts and what it does. So it provides internet access to the private networks. Like this is the Bastion Hosts, and it is providing access to the instances in the private network. This is VPC, and here we are having public subnet and private subnet. Bastion Host is in the public subnet. Okay, so now we will see how to set up this. So I will just go to the VPC console. I will create my VPC, select VPC only. I will type demo VPC, and then I will set up my CIDR range, which is 12.0.0.16. Yeah, and then leave the tenancy as default, because if you selected dedicated here, it will charge you a good amount of money. So let it be. Click on create VPC. After creating your VPC, uh, you will see dashboard like this. And after that, we have to create internet gateway. So just click on internet gateway. This is the default internet gateway. We'll have to create one. So we will uh, filterize it here, and we will create that internet gateway in particular VPC. So my internet gateway one. Okay, so we will name it, and we will create internet gateway. And here we are getting an option to attach to VPC, because it is not attached to VPC. So we will go to simply action, attach to VPC. Here is our demo VPC. We will just attach to it, and that's all. Attach internet gateway. Here you can see your internet gateway is attached with VPC. Now what we have to do? We have created VPC. We have created internet gateway. Now what we have to do? We have to set up the public and private subnet. So we will go to subnets, and now we will click on create subnet. These are the default subnets which are created for the default VPC. So again, we will filter it, our demo VPC, and create subnet. So here we will select our demo VPC. Here our CIDR range is provided. I will type private my private subnet 1A. So here we go. I have selected 1A because we are putting this subnet in the availability zone of 1A. So that's selected, and here we have to mention the CIDR block. Then I will just mention it. So make sure you select the correct CIDR block. And here, as you can see, we are having 250 available IPs. Here we have created private subnet. Now what we have to create? We have to create public subnet. So my public subnet 1A. That's it. We will select. We will just copy the. No, we will change it here. We will. It's three, and yeah, just paste it here. Here your public subnet will be created. Click on create subnet. Here your subnet is created. Yes, here you can access your subnets. Now what we have to do? We have to do route tables now, because we have to mention which traffic to allow to the Bastion host. So we'll go to route tables, and there is default route table for the default VPC. So we will filter it again, and now we will create route table. and we will create both public and private route table. So my public RT, and select the demo VPC. We are create route table. Yeah. And here while creating a route table, go to subnet associations. Here you can see your subnets. Click on explicit subnet association and attach the public subnet to it. Yes, here is our public route table. We have attached our public subnet to it, and same we have to do with the private subnet. So create route table, my private RT. Here you have to follow the same process and edit subnet association. You have to assign your private subnet. Yes, click on yes. And in public route tables, please uh, take note of that. We have to edit our routes. Here is our destination for VPC. Let it at it is. We have to add route right now. So what we will do? We will allow everyone. And what we have to attach for our EC2 instance to access internet, we have to provide the internet gateway route. So we will just select internet gateway, and here we will attach it. Yeah, the internet gateway we have created. Save changes. Yeah. So now here you can see you have attached the internet gateway. Now we have to create instances, like one is for Bastion Host and another one is for private network. So we will just click on launch instance. I will name it as Bastion BASTI, Bastion Host, and I will select my image name as Ubuntu, and keep the architecture uh, as you want. I am selecting x64 is x86, and then select the key pair. Generate key pair if you haven't generated it. Select the .pem format after the devices which are after Windows 10, and here please take care of network setting while launching instances. So select your VPC here. As this is Bastion host, we will assign public subnet to it, and yeah, select auto assign public IP. We will create our security group, and I will name it as Bastion host SG. Let it be, just give me a moment. Bastion host SG, yeah, and yeah, we will click same. And here we have provided SSH. Yeah, yeah. There is nothing to do with it. Now create on launch instance. Here you can see here your instance is being created. We'll wait till it comes on the next step. Here is your public and private address. Till then, we will create the private instance. So it, on this, it will take some time, and we will launch our instance. I will name it as private instance. Select name Ubuntu, and select key pair. After that, while selecting network settings, select your VPC, and here attach private subnet and let it be disable. Create a security group. What we will name it as private instance is G. Provide the description as you want, and here SSH is enabled. And right now here we have to add CIDR. So we will select the one we have done at our VPC. So I will just go to 12. It is what we created, and click on launch instance. We will check if this instance is running. Yes, this is in running state, and then now we will check this also. Now we have created a Bastion host instance and the private instance, as well as we have created the subnets and assigned VPC to it. It is in pending state. It will take some time. Yeah, it is in the running state. But as you can see, there is no public IPv4 address because it is in private subnet. So now we will just log into our Bastion host. Yes, here it is. We will perform the SSH to it. We will simply click on connect, and yeah, we will open mobile system as we are using it. Create on Click on sessions, create new sessions, provide username as Ubuntu. Here provide your private key which you have created, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, you have successfully logged in. Now we will do login. Uh, Here upload your private key and SSH hyphen I, your key path. Copy the path. The network. We have to restart it again. SSH hyphen I. And we have to provide our public IP here. Mm, Just a minute. Yeah, yeah. Yes. It is showing us permission denied, but we will change the permissions of our .pem file, which is private key. Yes, and we try to implement WhatsApp. The software is causing some issue. Control L. Second, SSH. Here you have successfully logged in, and after that you have to go to your SSH directory. Here we will go. Here, here you will find your PIM key if you have put, but I will copy it from my dashboard. So I will just do a cat. I will provide my key name. Yeah, got it. So now we have created it. Now we will create some dot. We will create new key. We will name it as VI AWS key. What is happening? I'm not understanding. VI AWS key. Dot com. Yes, will be compared. The software is causing issue. VI AWS key. Dot com. Yeah. Right now, I will try to open this from my notepad, so it will be easier. I will just open it. Where it is? Yes. I will open it with notepad. I will just copy the entire key and I will just paste it to this. Select yes, and I will save it. Yeah, I just saved. Okay. Yeah, here you can find your file. Now we have to go to our private instance, which is this. We have to copy this private IPv4 address, and now we have to SSH to it. SSH hyphen I wskey.com, the file in which we have pasted our secret key, and here we have to provide yes, and yes, it again denied permission, but we have to change the permissions. 400. We will try it once again, and wait. Yes, here you are successfully login, and we will try some command to it. Uptime, it's working. If you observe here, this is our range what we have mentioned. So sorry, it is the private public IPv4 address which we have created while creating instance. So hope you got how to set up Bastion hosts. I tried to keep the session raw as possible. So thank you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.